Something you probably didn't know is that you can actually combine your Ethernet with a mobile hotspot from your Android phone on your PC. Don't know how? Well, you've come to the right place because in this video we'll show you exactly how you can use Speedify to combine your home Ethernet with a tethered connection from your Android phone on your PC. But first, what is Speedify? Speedify is an intelligent VPN that uses unique channel bonding technology to combine multiple different internet sources together into one faster, stronger, more reliable super connection. So you never have to deal with dropped calls, interrupted video, or failed live streams ever again. But let's get down to what you're really here for, combining your Android's mobile hotspot with your Ethernet. Step 1, plug your Ethernet cable into your PC. If your PC doesn't come with an Ethernet port, you may have to use a USB to Ethernet adapter. Step 2, the Android connection. There are multiple options for tethering, which include USB tethering, Wi-Fi hotspot, or Bluetooth. We don't really recommend Bluetooth because it's a lot less powerful than the other options. It's very limited in the speeds that it can provide. In this case, we'll go with a Wi-Fi hotspot, since it's generally the most convenient. To create a Wi-Fi hotspot, first you need to enable cellular data in your settings if you haven't already. And then in your connection settings, find mobile data and tethering, and then set up the name and password for your hotspot. Step 3, on your PC, click on the Wi-Fi settings in your taskbar. Make sure you have Wi-Fi enabled if it's not already turned on, and then select the Wi-Fi hotspot you set up on your phone to connect to it. Enter the password and you're good to go. Step 4, actually combining the connections. Open up the Speedify app on your PC. The software will automatically detect your available connected internet connections and display them on the dashboard. Click the toggle in the top right corner to connect to Speedify, and voila! You're now combining connections using the magic of channel bonding for improved speed, security, and reliability. And now with Speedify's new pair and share feature, you can add even more cellular connections wirelessly, without needing more Wi-Fi adapters on your PC. Just install Speedify on all available mobile devices, enable pair and share, pair the phones with your PC, and add as many cellular connections as you want for a better, even more stable connection. That's it, thanks for watching.